Yeah, 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 yeah. Stripping the sea like a ghost in the fall. Got the whole block locked up, no room for the dogs. Talking off stakes, yeah, I'm counting my dough. Why they still playing games? I'm already on top. Diamonds so loud, they could use them as tools. Every move I make got the whole city sure. From the bottom to the top, I broke every rule. Now I'm sipping champagne while they still drool. Feel the heat rise, just a war we're in. Every scar tells a story, every love's been drawn thin. They can talk all they want, but they never will win. This is my kingdom now, and I'm built to begin. Yeah, I'm the king of this castle, no crown needed. Watch me flip the script, leave them speechless. Every battle I fight, I come out unchained. This ain't just a hustle, it's a goddamn campaign. Yeah, I don't chase a spotlight, I let it find me. When I walk through, cut the lights, start the deal. Got the juice in my veins, it's a different kind. Turn the world into a stage, let the chaos begin. They say I'm too cold, but I melt the ice. For one look from me, they know the time is missed. I don't play by the rules, I write my own lines. And I end every chapter with a final sign. Used to be lost in the noise, now I see clear. The pain was just fuel, not a reason or fear. Now I stand tall where the doubters stood low. The storm that I weather made me stronger still, though. Yeah, I'm the king of this castle, no crown needed. Watch me flip the script, leave them speechless. Every battle I fight, I come out unchained. This ain't just a hustle, this a goddamn campaign. Yeah. This is what victory sounds like. Let the legend live on.